Hi, I'm Partha Pratim Karan, and today I'll be introducing the product venture named Product Management Consulting. Last couple of months back, I already initiated that with a great vision. So, what exactly I am doing over there? I'm continuously learning that product leadership from lots of product leaders across the globe. Same time, I'm also helping professionals as well as product startup across the globe to leverage the product ecosystem. Presently, I am mentoring people, professionals, and product startup across the globe, countries like United States, Canada, Singapore, Nigeria, and few other countries also. So, what about me? Presently, I am working on FinTech and AI/ML big data product. I have total 5+ years of product management experience, and earlier I worked on mobile and web technology product. Same time, multiple vertical product I'm working on like FinTech product, AIML big data product, CRM, Omnichannel, customer experience management product. So please feel free to reach out to me for any kind of product discussion. And I really love to hear your product experience from your last experience. Same time, I'm also planning to prepare some tutorial or kind of guidance for the people who are planning to transitioning from other domain to product management, and I'll really happy to help you all guys. Please feel free to reach out any point of time. I'll be sharing my contact details, everything over here itself. So see you on the next. Thank you.